Welcome back to the studio. My name is Mr. McKee. I'm a 4th degree black belt. We're going to be talking about hand-foot timing. This isn't going to be a long video. I'm just going to show you what hand-foot timing is and how it works so that you can implement it within your forms, your board breaks, competition, everything like that. Timing is a crucial part of the martial arts journey. So let's talk about it right now. What timing really is just your foot landing and your technique striking at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate this down the floor. Really simple. I'm going to just step into a front stance and then I'm going to execute a punch. Okay, just right down the floor and go ahead and follow me. Ready? And go. Punch. Go. Punch. Go. Punch. Go, punch. One more, go, punch. If you wanted to do a block, the blocks are the same way. Step out, block. That's as simple as it is. It's just a hand-foot timing drill, and you're going to need to know this as you go up through our belt ranks. We're going to need to know the hand-foot timing. So if you have any questions, any concerns, go ahead. Put your comments and stuff down in the comment area. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Until next time, train hard, train smart. See you on the next one.